Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another project for you. For today's tutorial, we're learning how to make a stylish handmade fish-shaped fabric placemat for your cats or kittens' food and water bowls. It's backed with a piece of rubber shelf liner that helps keep the mat gripped to the floor. It whips up quickly so you can make several of these to match all the holidays and seasons. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out the blog at debsdays.com for many more sewing and crafting projects. And my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs, is where you'll find the written version of many of my projects with step-by-step instructions, color photos, and printable templates. And since these are digital download patterns, you can print them at home and get started on your next sewing project today. I've added links in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric, rubber shelf liner, a Teflon sewing machine foot or painter's tape, and of course the printable template. First, place one piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center the rubber shelf liner on top. Place the other piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. Cut out the templates and tape them together to make the fish. Center the template in the middle of the fabric stack and pin it in place. Stitch the fish together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Leave a space at the bottom open for turning. Remove the template and cut out the fish about a 1/4 inch outside the stitching line. Notch the curves. Turn it right side out and finger press the opening under. Don't use the iron or it'll melt your shelf liner. Place a Teflon foot on the sewing machine. If you don't have a Teflon foot, put painter's tape on the bottom of the foot. That way the rubber shelf liner will feed through easier. With the rubber shelf liner facing up, top stitch all the way around the fish 1/8 inch from the edges. Take extra care at the opening to make sure it stays folded under and closed, and make sure to take your time on the curves. And just like that, just that fast, your feline friends have a new feeding station. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out the blog at debsdays.com, or visit my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. See you next time with another project.